Hello everyone, welcome back to my video tutorial. This time I will be talking about reflection, which is another part of 2D transformations on computer graphics. So when we talk about reflection, let us consider a point. This is your x line, this is your y line, this is your negative x, this is your negative y. So let us consider a point here. Suppose there is a point here. Let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Fourth, and here 1, 2, 3 on the third. So this point has the coordinates of 4 on the x-axis and 3 on the y-axis. When we try to find a reflection of this particular point with respect to the x-axis, the reflection will be on the other part of the x-axis, which will be here. We will have reflection 4 minus 3. Likewise, on the y-axis, we will have reflection here, which will be minus 4 and 3. Minus 4 on the x-axis and 3 on the y-axis. Okay, so this is how reflection is done. This is with respect to y-axis. This one is with respect to x-axis. So what we have here is that on the x-axis, we will have 4 will be multiplied by 1, which will get the same answer, 4, and 3 will be multiplied by minus 1. Alright, so we'll get 3 here. With respect to the y-axis, 4 will be multiplied by minus 1, we'll get minus 4, and 3 will be multiplied by 1, which will get 3. Alright, so this is your reflection of an object. We are considering a triangle here. This is with respect to the x-axis. As you can see, with respect to the x-axis, we have reflection like this, and the reflection formula will be written like this: 1 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 1. This minus 1 indicates that the reflection is on the x-axis. Okay, so RFX is equivalent. RFX simply means that reflection on the x-axis is equivalent to performing a non-uniform scaling by s equal to 1, minus 1. So in the previous lecture we have talked about scaling, and if we scale this, x-axis coordinates will be multiplied by 1 and the y-axis coordinate will be multiplied by minus 1, as we have just seen previously here. Along the x-axis, these coordinates 3 is multiplied by minus 1. Alright, this is similar to scaling. Okay, now on the reflection about the y-axis, the x coordinates is multiplied by minus 1. This is equivalent to performing a non-uniform scaling by s equal to minus 1, 1. X-axis coordinate is multiplied by minus 1 and y coordinate is multiplied by y when the reflection is about the y-axis. So we have two formulas. The first one is reflection about the x-axis and reflection about the y-axis. Now, when the reflection is on the x and y axis, which is like here we have 45 degree along the x-axis and 45 degree along the y-axis, we will have a reflection matrix as this. This is your reflection matrix. Alright. Now let us give an example of the reflection. The coordinates of a triangle ABC is given as A 2, 3, B 6, 3, and C 4, 7. Find reflected position of the triangle with respect to x-axis. We already know that reflection along the x-axis can be written as 1 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 1. Alright, first let us consider point A. A dash should be equals to 1 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 1, and point A is 2 3. Alright, now let us consider A dash along the x-axis, which will be equals to, take this value, we would apply matrix multiplication, 1 into 2 plus 0 into 3, which will be equals to 2, and A dash along the y-axis should be written as 0 into 2 minus 1 into 3, which will be minus 3, and the new point A dash should be equals to 2 comma minus 3. All right, so likewise we will consider point B, which is 6 comma 3. Now we know that B dash should be equals to 1 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 1, and we will have 6 3. All right, now B dash along the x-axis would be given as 6 plus 0 into 3, which will be 6. B dash along the y-axis would be given as 0 into 6 minus 1 into 3, which is minus 3. So B dash, the reflection of B dash will be 6 comma minus 3. Likewise, if we consider point C, which is 4 into 7, we will find out that C dash is also equals to 4 into minus 7. This is the value that we get. Now, remember that when we apply matrix multiplication, since we use only x and y coordinates, the matrix which is important in this case is only this four matrix. Okay. Now let us try to draw a diagram of this reflection. We have 2 into minus 3. B dash is 6 minus 3. And C dash is 4 comma minus 7. Alright, now let us try to draw this. Alright, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 and 6 minus 7 minus 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 7 8. This is your y, this is your minus y, here is your x, and here is your minus x. Alright, now let us give a point of triangle A. Here you will get, this is your A, this is your 2, this is your point A 2 comma 3, and point B is 6 3. This is your B, 6 comma 3, and C is 4. This is your 4 into 7. Here is 7. This is your 4 7. Alright, here is your triangle, and we will plot the reflected triangle. The reflected triangle will be 2 minus 3. Here is your 2 minus 3. A dash 2 minus 3, and B dash 6 comma minus 3, and C dash 4 minus 7. Okay, this is your reflection of the triangle with respect to x-axis. Okay, thank you very much. That is all for today. See you in the next class. Thank you.